if the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. Right. Now, if you guys remember when we were we've already discussed the formula for the general term of an AP, right? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference, and n is, well, the nth term, basically the value of n, the position of the term. Right. Now over here, in this particular sum, we will not be using this formula because they've already given us the formula for the general term. Right? They've already told us that the pth term of the AP is 2p plus 3, which means they've already told me that TP, the pth term, is equal to 2p plus 3. Right? They've asked us to find the arithmetic progression. Let's use the color green for this, like we have done in the question. Right? It becomes, I guess, to be easier for us to notice what we're doing. Right? Yeah, so we're using they've already given us the value for the pth term, so we'll be using this instead of the formula for the nth term. Now, if I want to find, they've asked us to find the AP, so what we'll do is we'll find the first 4 terms. For the first term, I'll just take the value of p as 1. So I'll get, therefore, T1, the first term, is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. So 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So that's my first term. For the second term, understand the value of p will be equal to 2. So I can say T2, which is the second term, is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Sorry. Right. Same way for the third term. Now I can take the value of p as 3. So I can say T3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. As you can see, you can already start seeing that there's a common difference of 2 arising between these terms. So, well, the fourth term you obviously know will be 9 plus 2, which is 11. So let's just get that down. And p would be equal to 4. And so I can say the fourth term T4 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 3. So that's 8 plus 3, which is 11. So as you can see, an arithmetic progression is arising. All I needed to do was substitute the value of p as 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would get the respective term. So I can say, therefore, the arithmetic progression is 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. This is our final answer.